Take command of the road in the 2014 Ram 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.